How to see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. As you can see, I'm able to view their profile photo when I open it. I'm tapping on the chat and I can see the user's online status because I haven't been blocked yet. Now I think the user has blocked me, so I'm opening the chat to check. Tap on their contact name. Here, tap on the profile photo. I can't see their profile photo, which is a sign that they've blocked me. Then go back to the chat. Now I'm going to text this contact. As you can see, my text wasn't delivered to this contact, which means that I've been blocked. This is how you can see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.